are going to show you how to make the tornado twist. And since they are so into wrestling, we're going to do this. In this corner, we have Sprite. In this corner, we have raspberry cranberry juice. And raspberries in the cup, in the measuring cup.
Woo!
And ice.
Can we just get to the video?
Now, we are going to need 2 ounces of cranberry raspberry juice.
I bet you're wondering why the desk is so small. There's little wooden tables under it.
Can you hold that cup up?
A go-go.
No. Yes. How much did I say? Oh, 2 ounces.
Go-go. I'm gonna drink it.
I need to have a cup, my magical master.
I put the stuff in.
Oh, yeah. Come on, this is cheap. Cheap.
Yeah, that's smooth.
Magic. Oops. Shove. Okay.
We haven't done mocktails in a long time.
Now we're going to do 2 ounces of lemon lime soda, also known as the mystical, wonderful, magical Sprite.
Wish.
And it just fits. And now, the loving raspberry. Squeak. Mmm.
It looks like a heart, like the...
Yum, 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 yum.
Huh?
Will the camera want some?
Splash!
What does it taste like?
Oh!
Oh, yeah, good
It
point.
tastes like raspberry.
Tastes like Gilmer's.
Okay.
Tastes like ginger ale, and I just
It tastes
swallowed
like-
the ice.
You really get the
Ginger ale.
cranberry in there,
And ginger ale.
and the raspberry just yells at you and says,
Clean up your
"I'm
bed,
an old
Will."
raspberry." And now. That was it. And now
Question
the
of the
question of the day.
How many? What's your favorite video game?
How many poodles do you have? Oh, it was my turn to say it this time.
No, we already did that. What's your favorite video game?
What if you're a girl?
Girls play video games,
They don't play wrestling games like you guys do.
so Dad doesn't. Dad hates it.
Video game critics.
I think I heard you.
No? You don't have anything then for girls?
You don't have a.
Yeah, I have things for girls. What?
Is your favorite color? Or
We
pony?
already did that. What is your favorite animal? Did we already do that? Nope. I don't think we did. What is your favorite animal? It can be fluffy, it can be silky, it can be small.
It could be a
big.
cat and a Sam. Sam and cat.
Well, I wish we had those Fee brothers because I love their logo. Don't squeeze.
We had a-
use fees. And
Squeeze.
we're out.
Wait, it's camera. Action.
Bye. Stay the pose until the imaginary applause dies down.
Bye, audience. Oh. Don't squeeze your face. Wait, does that actually say it?
You're
Nope.
gonna spill that big time.
Pose until the imaginary applause dies down. Ooh.